Hello everybody, Brian here with Cars Equipment Sales. Today I'm here with our Huayee SHY10 mini excavator. We want to do a little different video today with you guys and show you this machine actually digging. Everybody does videos in their parking lot showing the functionality as far as swinging them around and digging air. Fit and finish is amazing on these. I think there's enough videos to prove that by now. So today we're just going to do some digging. I want you guys to see this machine do what it was intended to do. Here we're working on peeling the sod off the top of the ground in the first few bucket loads. Notice from this point forward, even in hard packed rocky ground, this machine can accomplish full bucket loads with each pass. Looks can be deceiving with this little 1-ton machine. With a max dig depth of just over 5.5 feet, this unit is perfect for accomplishing any task thrown at it by a DIY homeowner or general contractor. Notice how this machine has plenty of power even while grabbing full buckets of rock and dirt. No lag, no bogging down, just power enough to cut through the hard packed ground and get the job done efficiently. The smooth operation of this unit comes from the pilot controls, which are paired with upgraded hydraulic valves and cushion valves. All this combined make this machine incomparable to most other units in its weight class. At this point, we're about 2.5 feet deep. Heavy gravel. At this point, we have water coming in the hole, and we're still accomplishing full bucket loads at every pass. The SHY10 weighs in at 2,200 pounds, boasting a 13.5 horse Briggs & Stratton XR series engine, a hydraulic oil cooler, and pilot controls. Top it all off with side swinging boom and a hydraulic thumb, and you've got yourself a complete package meant for some serious work. So there we are, guys. Just a couple of minutes of digging, and we've got water running into about a 3.5 foot deep hole here with the SHY10. So this field has been untouched for the whole time I've owned it, which is approximately 15 years. So a lot of rock, a lot of hard compacted dirt, and this little 1-ton machine gets it done. So there you have it.